Hi, in this video, I'll quickly show you how to set up a Rabby and OKX wallet. You will need them for the clone airdrop campaign, and I'll show the version for working on a desktop and laptop. On mobile phones, it's slightly different. You can find links to both wallets in the video description, as well as a link to the follow-up video where I will show you how to work with the confidential layer bridge. So we can get started. First, I'll show you the Rabby wallet. When you go to the Rabby Wallet website, you have either the download option here, or you have a direct link for the browser extension. So click on it. Add to Brave. I use the Brave browser. If you have Chrome, there will be Chrome, or there will be another browser. It processes for a moment. Here you can see the status. Okay. Rabby Wallet added. You can pin it to the toolbar here so you can see it. Now it immediately gives you the process to create a new address. So just create a new address. Here you could possibly import if you already have your seed phrase. But here I'll show you how to create a new address. Here you just agree to some basic things regarding the seed phrase. Read through it. And show the seed phrase. Write this down safely and store it, because if you lose it, you will lose access to all the funds you will have at that address. Please do not use the seed phrase. Everyone who sees this video will see it. So as soon as someone sends something there, sooner or later someone will take it out. So do not use this under any circumstances. This is just for demonstration. Once you write down your own seed phrase that you generate, you will confirm it. Here, you will come up with the secure and especially long password. Confirm it. When you open it, you have a Rabby wallet created. You already have a new address here, which you can use. What to do with it, I will show you in the next video, where I will demonstrate the confidential layer bridge, how it works, and how to use it. This is purely about creating wallets. As for the second wallet, we have the OKX wallet here. Here you have the button Get OKX Wallet. Click on it. Here it will offer you a browser extension again. Add it. Confirm. Added. You can pin it again so you can see it here. Here, it usually automatically offers you to create one. If not, when you open it for the first time, it will offer to create a new address. Then you click on Create Wallet. Here you can either connect your hardware wallet, but for the airdrop campaign, I recommend creating a new address for Bitcoin, where you can just send some Bitcoin to operate with later. Here I will choose with a password. Again, a long and secure password. Again, some security instructions for the seed phrase. Read it. and confirm. Here, securely save the seed phrase again. All the words. When you click on it, you see everything at once. And once you write it down and save it, you will confirm it. Here is a control question. It tests you if you really wrote it down correctly. And here is the word in the 7th position you need to choose which you have there, in the 9th position and in the 11th. So in 7th place, that's room. In 9th place is cabin. In 11th place, artifact. So if you enter it correctly, it will let you proceed. I probably wouldn't set this up, just confirm it. All right, it's set up. This wallet supports not only Bitcoin but also some other chains. We're just interested in the Bitcoin address here, and you can copy it from here if needed. You have it here, but I'll show you all of that in the video for Bridge. So, that's all for now. Take care.